leg. Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. A bit.
It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazigori got an hand, but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
no need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat. 10 minutes go back.
Now, right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the second time.
Exactly as you just mentioned. Just
Maza, they be glued to the TVs.
so the news is just Maaz Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the 3rd player.
Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think this is a very good.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to strike. Right-hand batter. Maaz Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal. Can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent. Certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run up. And here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot ball go away from the left-handed Maaz Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to with his stroke. Direct it would have had him. His excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mondal. Off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker and
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Gapon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shahins are the best.